What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, a while ago, I did a review on Primal Kitchen's non-dairy Alfredo sauce, and to my surprise, it ended up being one of my best performing videos. And I was at my local Publix the other day and found their non-dairy pink Primavera sauce. And today, I'm going to try it out and let you know what I think. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So I've tried it out now, and to give my thoughts, I thought it was really good. I could definitely tell I was eating a vegetable-based sauce, so it felt like I was eating pretty healthy. This being said, I think for someone who is trying to eat healthier and maybe doesn't want to give up pasta, I would definitely try this out. Overall, I think this makes for a good, quick, healthy meal, and I think everyone should give it a try. If you do want to try this out, again, I got mine at a Publix, so I would look there. That's pretty much it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.